Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. On today's video, finally I want to share with you guys what type of camera I'm using for filming, for vlogging, because I received a bunch of questions and comments to you guys asking what type of camera I'm using for filming. So finally, I'm so happy to share with you what camera I'm using for vlogging. So this is the Panasonic Lumix G7. It's really nice camera, not heavy at all, super cute, not big, not small, so it's just a medium size of the camera, and shoot with 4K resolution. It is really nice budget camera that shoot in 4K, about less than $500, and you have really nice vlogging camera that shoot for 4K. So that's a really nice deal for the camera. The lens is changeable if you want to change your lens for any types of lens, for like shooting, taking pictures, whatever you want. So this is the camera that I using all the time for filming, like reviewing products, makeup reviews, daily vlogs. So this is the only camera I've been using all the time. Really nice camera. I highly recommend this camera, guys. I think it's only $400 something for the budget 4K resolution. So I highly recommend it. If you're looking for a budget camera that shoots for 4K, this camera is really nice. This is the Panasonic Lumix G7. It's still my favorite camera, still my favorite vlogging camera in 2020. So yeah, really nice camera. And yeah, you can change the lens if you want a different lens when you're shooting. You can change the lens as well. And very light camera, it's not heavy at all. So yeah, really nice camera. Still my baby, my favorite cameras. I'm a huge fan of Panasonic camera. Really nice camera in the market, and they did a good job for cameras as well. So yeah, so I'm really happy that I share with you guys what camera I'm using for filming. So if you're looking for the camera, go check this camera. Go check this out. Panasonic Lumix G7, really nice camera for vlogging and shoot for 4K again. And it's a nice quality of camera. So that's it for today's vlog, guys. If you're new here, thank you for tuning in. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, subscribe to my channel, and also click the notification bell button so that you will notified every time I do upload the new videos. So yeah, that's it for my vlogging camera. I'm so happy to share with you guys. Just please check this out, this camera. I highly recommend it, and it's a budget camera, shoot for 4K. So that's it for today's vlog, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on my next vlog. Bye everyone. Bye.